In this video, I'm going to share with you how I make Buckeyes. Into a big bowl, you want to add 3 cups of peanut butter and 2 sticks of butter. We're going to blend those together very well. Now you're going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Next, we're going to add in 2 pounds of powdered sugar, a little at a time. I use this lid for my bowl that has a hole in it to keep the powdered sugar from blowing all over the place. Now I'm going to add a little more powdered sugar and mix that in. Now I'm going to add the remaining powdered sugar and mix that in as well. Once I get most of that powdered sugar mixed in, then I'll take the lid off so that I can more easily see what I'm doing and mix it in very well. Now I'm going to take the mixture and roll it into 1-inch size balls. This recipe is going to give me about 6 dozen Buckeyes. Once I get all of my balls made, then I'm going to put them into the refrigerator for at least an hour to set. Now I'm cutting up 24 ounces of almond bark. I'm doing this about 15 minutes before I take my peanut butter balls out of the refrigerator. And I'm going to put them into a mini crock pot and turn the setting on to low. Now I'm taking my peanut butter balls and I'm sticking a toothpick into them and dipping them into the melted chocolate. Now I'm taking my fingers and covering over the holes left by the toothpick. That's it, and then I'll stick them back in the refrigerator to completely firm up. These will keep for at least 3 weeks. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.